Hello guys, today we're gonna talk about reserve rights, RSR. I just wanna give you a little update because there are some things that happen in the market and yeah, it's gonna be a great episode I think. But first of all, I wanna encourage you to watch my previous video. If you go to my channel, I'm talking about this one. The previous video I made about RSR 8 days ago, you really loved that video. It got so many likes, only likes, and so many positive comments. It's my most watched video and you guys really loved it, and there's so much valuable stuff there, so I really recommend you go there and watch it after this video or before, doesn't matter. And I just wanted to welcome all the new subscribers. It's crazy, I just started and I'm really happy. It's just amazing when you're doing this and there's someone on the other side just like enjoying your content, so that's really great and thank you so much. And if you're not subscribed, you can just consider that. I would appreciate it if you like this content, of course. Alright, let's start. So I just wanted to inform you that I took profits. As I said in the previous video, we hit this lever here, this level of resistance, and we bounced back and it hit my order. I sold 10% here, another 10% here, and I'm ready for two scenarios. I also sold some into BTC, but we're gonna talk about it later. And what I'm waiting right now is we're either gonna go up to the next resistance level at the price of 1 cent, or we're gonna have a correction and I feel like we're gonna hit this level here or another support right here. So if that happens, I'm gonna use the profits that I took here to buy RSR again at those two levels. I don't really feel like we're gonna go back all the way down here. I feel like those times are over, though. That was the bear market lowest low, and I don't think we're gonna get there. So my two orders are set for those two levels that I'm gonna use with the cash that I made here. And my lowest buy was at this level. So guys, I made 4x already, like almost 5x, 360% with that sale that I made yesterday. So yeah, that's a lot. I know everyone's waiting for 10x, 50x, 100x, but you never know. It's so much money, and if you put this money into BTC, which is gonna double or triple, then your 5x will become 15x, you know? Like, where else you can make so much money? And you can do it like without any stress. You can be sure that you're taking profits. I'm really encouraging you to take profits, even if it's 10%, even if it's 20%. This is my regret. That was my mistake that I made in the previous cycles. I wasn't taking profits because we're never gonna, sometimes we'll go like all the way up, we're gonna shoot, but like the odds that you're gonna like get onto that wave are low. And if you're taking profits on the way, we'll have a lot of corrections. We'll always be coming back, so you can use those profits to multiply your coins, and after all, you can just make a lot of money. So yeah, as you can see, I'm fully transparent with you. Like I'm telling you my selling levels, my moves before it happens, and then I'm gonna be making updates how it's going. So this is my plan. And if we look at the corrections in the previous bull market, let's check it because I don't remember the exact percentage. Okay, so we had a correction over here, which was around 40%, let's say. Another correction here, that was 50%, and yeah, and there was a bull market. The bull market finished, and we had one dump around 85%, and yeah, that cut bounce, and then bear market here. So RSR, you can see, I can easily dump between 40 to 50% during the bull market. So if that happens here, if that's gonna happen here, we're just gonna land exactly on this level. You know, we can form a nice W here and just bounce back. So if we go here and we come back, you can make another 100%. So take profits here, because it's possible we're gonna come back here and retest this level and just come back here. So if you have RSR still, not financial advice of course, just you can consider selling like 10-20% here, just in case we're gonna have a major correction on BTC, because we're gonna see this level for sure. And if BTC dumps, of course, because if Bitcoin is gonna go sideways for a couple of days or weeks, like it's possible we're gonna hit this level. And I'm still holding around 60% of my RSR. So if we hit another level here, then I'm just gonna sell more, and then my support level will be here. Okay, I hope it's clear. So what I wanted to say is that it all depends on what BTC is gonna do. Okay, I don't really see it going all the way straight down here, because this moving average has to straighten a little bit. Like I don't see it really, because there's so much euphoria here at the top right now. So we need a little bit of like sideways movements, like manipulation. We just had a test dump, like people are panicking, maybe they're like trying to sell, but now we're gonna go back to all-time high again. I was like, everyone will be like, oh my gosh, we're going back again, we're gonna go up to new all-time highs, like, and then it's gonna be like, oh no, we're going down. So my prediction, like obviously you cannot really predict exactly what's gonna happen, but I feel like we're just gonna go a little bit sideways here, and then we're gonna go for a dump, for a major correction, because we haven't had any for a long time. Look how high we are above this moving average, like here, and we came back, bounced back, and we went on another all-time high here. So if we're gonna go all the way now here and BTC is going to dump, how much is this, like 40%, and RSR is gonna dump. Even if we go like small correction of like 20, 25%, 30, then RSR is gonna dump 50% at least. Okay, so if that happens, that scenario happens, that Bitcoin goes down, RSR will go down either, together with BTC. If we go sideways with BTC or up, then it's really possible we're gonna hit this level here, and this is the next selling point for me. Okay, all right, so this chart is done, the plan is in the game, and I'm gonna cover another update. We'll see like what's gonna happen on the market, and I promise you guys I'm gonna keep you updated. So subscribe to be updated if you like the content. You will not regret this, remember. Let's go to RSR BTC chart. Okay, it's here, and I want to show you this chart because I sold 20% of my RSR into BTC. So the previous one was RSR USDT, so I tripled my stable coins, US dollar, but here I sold, I don't remember the exact price right now, but I remember it was like exactly 100% from my lowest purchase. So yeah, I just took 20% off to like have more BTC, and if we go up, if we continue going up another 100%, I'm just gonna get rid of another 20% or 10%. I will see. Crypto is a really dynamic market, and you have to look at many indicators. So like I will decide. You have to decide like week by week, of course. But if Bitcoin is gonna dump, like there is a high probability we're gonna have a correction here as well. So if that happens, then I'm gonna buy RSR again using my BTC. If it's gonna go up, I'm gonna get rid of more. I'm gonna always leave 20% moon back in case we just go bananas, super high. But if that happens, then I'm just gonna use my profit to look for something else. There's so many other occasions on the market, so many undervalued projects that you can like move around this your profits. And that's what I learned in the previous cycles, that taking profits and moving it into something else is the key, really. So I'm gonna give you a quick tutorial, like how to turn 20k into 200k by simply taking profits. So let's say you bought BTC. Let's go to the BTC chart. First I'm gonna show you my lowest purchase. As I told you in the previous videos, like my lowest purchase was 16, but let's say you bought Bitcoin for the price of $20,000 right here. Okay, you bought BTC, and then you hold it, you're holding it, it's growing. Okay, and then you go to a chart, RSR BTC, then you go to this chart, not RSR USDT, but like RSR BTC, and you use your Bitcoin that's worth way more to buy even more RSR right here. So you're putting your BTC into RSR, and you wait for a little altcoin season, which just happened. We actually grew 130%, but let's say you take 100% right here, like as I did, and you're selling your BTC. You had one BTC here. You know what happened here? You have two BTC now. So you're selling your RSR back into BTC, but from one BTC you have two. Do you understand? I hope it's clear. It's really simple. And then you take that profits into BTC, and then you wait. You can just wait, literally do nothing, and wait till, I believe Bitcoin will sooner or later hit $100,000. Maybe not now, but like maybe in 6 months or something. Maybe we'll go down here, and then we go to 100,000. So your 2 Bitcoins will be worth $200,000. So you literally put $20,000 here. If you only held Bitcoin till 100,000, you would have had 100,000. But if you use that Bitcoin to multiply it using RSR or other altcoins, and you made another Bitcoin, like you doubled the amount of Bitcoin, you will have 200,000 here. So that's just the power of taking profits and moving something overvalued to something undervalued, and over time it just accumulates, and then you can use those to BTC. You can sell it into stable coins, and buy Bitcoin again when it's in a bear market. You know, this is how you do it. You have to take profits. I really encourage you guys. You don't have to sell everything. Just take 10% off, 20%, and move it around. Like, you will see that over time, you will be in shock how beneficial that strategy is. Because like I told people, like, I sold 40% of my BTC at 69k, like before all-time high, like at all-time high, literally. And people are like, oh my gosh, you're selling, like it's bull market, like stupid. I'm like, people care so much when we're here, because like, okay, they're saying we're gonna go to 100k, right? They're saying that, but like, how much is from all-time high now to 100k? Like 35%. That's nothing. Like, people care so much about that. They don't care about this. What you should care about, this. Buying, not selling. Selling, no. Like, you're not gonna make money just like knowing where to sell. You have to know where to buy, because literally, when you go from like 16,000 to 22, it's like the same. If you bought Bitcoin here and sold it here at $22,000, that's literally the same amount of profit you would make right now by buying now and just selling at 100k. Do you understand what I'm saying? I hope it's clear for you, because it's really powerful when you start realizing and understanding that, like, you shouldn't care about this, what happened. You should care what's happening here, because like for my lowest purchase between 20k and 60k, like I made almost 350%, you know, already. Like, and I'm taking my profits and I'm enjoying my life. I'm just gonna move it around to something undervalued, because like we're clearly so high. Like this can come back here any day. You see RSI on a weekly, crazy. Okay, so I hope you get it. That's it for today. Oh, it's been 15 minutes, like it's nothing crazy. So again, guys, I'm really encouraging you to go to my channel after this video. I'm gonna put the link at the end of this video, and go to the latest RSR video that was 8 days ago. Like, you really guys love that video, and I'm so happy that you did. And just go there if you haven't seen that, and see it, because it's really valuable. Yeah, that's it for today. I hope you liked this video. If you did, what you can do, everything is free on this channel, so if you can like do something for me, you can hit the subscribe button, you can like this video, and you can leave the comment. That's gonna be enough for me, you know, as an act of your appreciation. And thank you so much, and see you soon. Tomorrow I'm gonna make another video, and I hope you're gonna stick around. See you soon. Bye.